Hi guys, welcome back to Real Cafe Girl. This is my weekend look. We using Linda Hallberg crayon in color calm mood, which is obviously you can see it's green. So if you want to know how to pull off this eye look, so stay tuned and give it a thumb up if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We got lots of content here, and I see you a bit and back to my bare face. Oops. Maybe a little bit further. Yeah, that's better. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to Real Cafe Girl. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you. And of course, I look a little different today. So I had a haircut yesterday, so go check out the other video where I go and get my haircut. So a little bit different today and a little bit different next time as well. So keep an eye on. So yeah, do you like this look so far? Look a little bit weird because it's no longer style from the hairdresser, but we're gonna do some graphic eye. Asking about, so I'm gonna do a little bit something different because I forgot all about that. I have the new stress crayon, like a multi-use crayon from Linda Hallberg. Linda Hallberg. So I got the unbox of what I purchased from her when she had 50% off some of the, like most of the stuff. I think this is the mood crayon one, which is a more primary colors. They come in 5 different colors here. So I will link the link down below. So yesterday I did red, but today I feel like a little bit green because of mostly calm. Am I calm or am I happy? Yellow, green? What do you think? Green. Let's stick with green because I don't have yellow powder. Just in case. Yesterday I did red, like a big bold graphic eye and like a big giant eyeliner. And we see what it's gonna look like today. Can you wait? So let's zoom in. I'm going to do this eye. Okay, and this is brand new one. So I have my eyeliner tattoo here. So I try to just kind of open my eye up and go lower than that. Just pull my eye up a little bit. I never used this crayon before, but I heard good thing about it. See? And then I'm gonna go open my eye because I want to go over the top of my crease. See, and that might wear like this look nice, but you have to go and walk around town looking like this. So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit more so I can see. When I open my eye, I'm gonna go in here and just fill this up. It's quite open, it's covered my tattoo. And just clean up the line. Easy. So when the summer coming up, It's long weekend. It's getting warmer, but it's gonna be cold again. I never really do green. It's look quite good. So it's, you have to keep open and close your eye and see where do you want your eyeshadow to go. So I like to see it. Not only it look nice like this, but it has to look nice when my eyes are open as well. So I'm quite happy with that. It's gonna go and clean up this, and I'm gonna use one of her brush just to make sure that I sweep them up and get it a cleaner edge to it. Gonna need a closer mirror. Good. Okay. And once it's set, it's supposed to be setting. So what do you think? I like it. This green look good on me. So I'm gonna just clean up this. Fill it up a little bit more. Maybe I put on the brush. I really like her YouTube channel. I'm gonna link down below, and she's do it pretty quick as well. So I'm gonna rest this for a minute and get it to set. Cool. Oh, what do you think so far? I like it. I'm gonna put lash on, so I'm gonna like it set. I already done my base, a little bit of my brush and eyebrow. So we're gonna go eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop my fakie on after I finish the other eye. Okay, so I already have curl my eyelash and do a light mascara, so it's set curl up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go and apply my fakie. What do you think? Green on me, kind of like more red and stuff, but green. Yesterday, I had balm on. I'm gonna tap on the orange on it. Peachy color, and maybe put on a little bit of peachy blush. Touch of highlight. Do all the makeup for everyone. I do highlight for everybody, but sometimes I forgot highlight for myself. So do clean with a brush. Okay, done. So guys, if you like this look, let's zoom out a little. Oh, zoom out, zoom out. So, new hair, new style of makeup. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this look on me. New hair, new style of makeup, a little bit of fun pineapple earring on, spring summer for us here, and a little bit green on the earring, kind of matching up. So I hope you guys like this look. It's quite bold look, but it's the weekend, I got a little bit more time. So thank you for watching. Haven't subscribed, please do. And if you happen to like this video, give it a thumb up, and don't forget to ring the bell for more. Alright, see you next time. Bye.